welcome back to Myra's Kitchen Zyka. Hope you all are doing good. If you are a seafood lover, today's recipe is going to be an absolute treat. Today we are making a rich, aromatic, and deeply flavored Red Masala Prawn Curry. The spice blend in this curry is so incredible. It pairs perfectly whether you are having it with a hot bhakri, chapati, or a hot steamed rice. Trust me, one bite and you will be hooked. So let's get straight into the kitchen and start cooking. To start off our curry, here I have taken standard fresh prawns. They have been peeled, deveined, and rinsed thoroughly, so they are super fresh and ready to absorb all those delicious spices. Now, let's prepare a special fresh masala paste. In a mixer, add chopped fresh coconut, peeled garlic cloves, green chilies, fresh coriander, and cumin seeds. Blend this together until you get a nice, slightly coarse texture. This texture paste is what gives our curry its amazing, authentic feel. Next, heat oil in a wok or kadai. Add sliced garlic and fresh curry leaves. Listen to that sizzle. As soon as they turn aromatic, pour in our fresh ground masala paste. Give it a continuous stir to saute everything evenly and release those gorgeous flavors. Now, add ginger garlic paste and saute well until the raw aroma disappears. Next, sprinkle in the turmeric powder. Salt to taste. Give everything a good, quick stir so the spices blend seamlessly. It's time for our star ingredient. Toss in the cleaned prawns and stir them through the masala for a minute. Now add your vibrant red chili masala and mix it well. Mix it in such a way that every prawn is fully coated. Drop in the chopped tomatoes, pop the lid on, and let it cook on its own steam for a few minutes, giving it a gentle stir occasionally.
There was nothing much left as the sun started opening its eyes. She rolled over, said, "You want some coffee?" Said, "Yeah, babe, I take a little sugar in mine."
Now add coriander powder, fresh kokum pieces for that perfectly tangy coastal balance.
There was nothing much left as the sun started opening its eyes, except that country music.
And another splash of fresh chopped coriander. Here's a special twist. Add a medium-sized chopped drumstick. This adds a subtle richness to the gravy. Now stir it well. Make sure that every drumstick is turned around. And all the drumsticks are soaked in that flavorful gravy. Now pour in a little water to set your gravy consistency. Cover the lid and let it cook well. Take lid off. Wow! Look at the bubbles. Look at the flavor, look at the color. Wow, amazing.
Some more secrets
Wow,
she
our
keeps
curry is
hidden.
bubbling away. Let's talk about this amazing flavors. Combining fresh green herbs with the rich red masala gives this dish a deep, complex flavor profile. You can see that. Adding coconut not only cuts through the seafood richness with a delightful sautéing, but it also brilliant for digestion, and it's packed with antioxidants. And those drumsticks absorb the spicy goodness while adding a lovely texture to the gravy. It's comforting, balanced, and truly delicious. Look at the gorgeous color, the rich texture. Our red masala prawn curry is fully cooked and ready. Now it's time to table it. Dish it up hot in a serving bowl. Whether you pair it with a steaming hot white rice, soft chapati, or a crispy pakri, this curry tastes absolutely great. If you enjoyed this authentic prawn curry recipe, please hit that like button, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe Myra's Kitchen Zyka for most and more mouth-watering recipes. Do try this dish at home and let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you. Thank you so much for watching Myra's Kitchen Zyka. Take care. Bye now.